channel. I've never met a sparkle that I didn't like and a bully that I did, because being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So welcome to another episode of Colleen's Creeptober. For this episode, I thought I would just do an old-fashioned eyeshadow tutorial. I will show you how I got this lovely look that is on my eyes. Well, at least I think it's lovely. It is inspired by fall because brown, what's more fall than the color brown? And I do love a good brown eyeshadow, so I was excited to do this look. And I love the colors of fall, not just brown, but just the reds and the oranges and the yellows and the purples. It's just such a fun color palette and it always excites me. Plus, like I've said before, this is my favorite time of year. Spooky season is the best. So I have to be here as much as I can. So anyway, I'm going to stop rambling and we're going to get into how I created this eye look and also a little chit chat while I do it. To start off this eye look, I first applied my JCat All About That Base eyeshadow primer in Nude. I really like this eyeshadow primer. It only runs about $5 and I find it really comparable to the P. Louise base one that I enjoy, and that one runs about $10 to $15. So this one's a great base for the money. Next, I went into About Face Beauty's Fluid Eye Paint and Cloned. This is my first eye paint from About Face Beauty, and I'm kind of getting used to how to apply it. I do find that it's actually pretty forgiving. It doesn't dry super fast, so you do get a chance to blend it out. I'm just still trying to figure out what brushes work the best for using it. I'm applying this all over my lid and kind of using it as a base / transition color. For my brow bone, I'm going into Flutter by Looxi Beauty. It's a really pretty duochrome, multichrome shadow. It's kind of like a pinkishy, peachy color. It's really great for highlighting areas. To darken up my crease and kind of outer V area, I'm going into R.E.M. Beauty's Midnight Snack Palette. I use the darkest brown from that palette. I don't believe they have names on them, so it's just the dark brown in that palette. I actually really like how that palette performed. I know a lot of people ragged on it, but I found it to work really well. Now I'm just using my finger and applying JCat Beauty's Glitter Primer. I really like this glitter primer. I mean, it's pretty much the same as a NYX one. They're all kind of very similar. This one works really well. I'm able to smooth it out into a thin layer on my lid. And because I do love a good multichrome, I went back into Looxi Beauty and went into Dark Side of the Moon, which is just a beautiful brownishy, greeny, purpley multichrome. You can't see it here, but it's such a stunner. And now I'm just going in with the brush that I used, the dark color from the R.E.M. Beauty, and I'm just kind of blending them in together. Oh, it's such a beautiful multichrome. Look at it. This angle isn't even doing it justice. It's so beautiful. I've been really trying to get into cake liners lately, so I am applying Phantasi Cosmetics Cake Liner in the color Anubis. Unfortunately, Phantasi Cosmetics is no longer in existence, but it's just a basic brown cake liner. It's really nice so far. I'm still really playing with how to apply them. I can't do the graphic stuff, so it's just going to probably be just thin things on my eyes. Then for my waterline, I went into Sheglam's Multichrome eyeliner pencil in the color Zenith. For the price, I think that these multichrome eyeliners are fantastic. They actually show up, they go on very smooth, and they look really pretty, and they're $4. For my lower lash line, I went back into that dark brown from R.E.M. Beauty's Midnight Snack palette. And then for my inner corner, I stayed with the R.E.M. Beauty Midnight Snack palette and went into this like silvery taupey color for my inner corner. So anyway, my celestial cupcakes, that is it for this video. So if you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really liked this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. I thank you so much for stopping by and spending this minute with me. I really appreciate it. I will still send you tons of happy thoughts and positive vibes your way just for stopping by. So thank you. As always, I will have everything that I am wearing on my face as well as all my social media listed below in case you are interested in following me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film as well as pictures of my pets because I think they are adorable, but of course we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies, but oh well. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day and always say gay. Remember, be you, do you, love you, bye.